Your bank account is already obsolete. You just haven't noticed. Banking was built for branches, not bandwidth. When intelligence sits above payments, identity, and logistics in a single layer, the bank becomes a dumb pipe. The fight isn't about fintech apps. It's about who owns the operating system of daily life. In 1998, a handful of code called the Payment Services Directive quietly turned every European bank into an API. Your bank became a backend. 25 years later, that backend is rusting. The average African consumer toggles between 7 to 9 financial apps daily, sending money, borrowing, saving, trading, yet none of them talk to each other. Each holds a fragment of identity, a shard of creditworthiness, a sliver of trust. The result? Duplication, delays, and a 4% tax on every transaction that isn't interest, just friction. Now flip the model. Instead of apps pulling data from banks, imagine an intelligence layer that sits on top of payments, identity, logistics, health records, everything. One permission grants a ride, a loan, a passport renewal. Credit scores update in real time because cash flow is seen, not reported. Fraud dies because identity is cryptographic, not form-based. Banks lose the customer relationship overnight. They become regulated custodians of fiat, while the OS owns the experience. The race isn't to build another wallet. It's to become the substrate that makes banks interchangeable. Whoever controls the context controls the margin. The OS is already live in 3 markets. See what it feels like at lumariqos.com.